Now we're ready to work. We'll work on the Chevy.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Well guys, I think it's time we start showing the S10 some love. I'm going to go pick up some blocks right now where I can put underneath the truck on each four corners so I can jack up the truck and put on jack stands. So go check out Ace Hardware, Lowe's, and Home Depot. I'll go ahead and pick up 4 of these real quick. Alright guys, so we got them all loaded up. We're going to go ahead and head to the house now and get this truck up in the air. It's hot as hell out. Just dropped off the blocks at the house and realized I need to buy jack stands. I have jack stands, but I only have 4 jack stands. And I know you wonder why you need more than 4. Well, I need 4 to leave under my truck for the build time of it, and then the other 4s when I work on other people's cars. So I gotta go buy another set. Or at least we go. So before I go get jack stands and stuff, gotta give me something to drink. It's time to go pick up energy drink. Now we're ready to work. We'll work on the Chevy. Yeah, so we got Tuck over here helping out. I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck up in the air, get on the jack stands and everything, so we can start tearing things apart on it and getting all, I don't know, built, I guess. Get it ready for the drift season, hopefully next year. So, a lot of work to do, but we're gonna do it. So hope you guys are gonna enjoy these videos. Get some of the Chevy stuff going on. I know there's some of y'all that follow for the drift builds on the trucks, so we're gonna show the old girl some love now. Alright, so the truck is all up on the jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the bed of the truck so we can get it ready to pull the bed off of it, stuff like that. So we can start doing some work on the frame, bracing and everything, and then I'm gonna cut out the whole back of the bed and shit like that. So let's get this all pulled out. Alright guys, so we got the bed cleaned out, the bed liner off, tailgate off. We're gonna go ahead and pull the bumper off and these little bumper covers on the side, and possibly start getting the bed pulled off the truck and just we'll lay it over there somewhere. I want to clean up the frame and everything so I can get it painted. I got to access the gas tank so I can fix the sending unit so I have a working gas gauge in it, and we're going to sand down the frame and paint the frame. So let's get this all taken apart. Got all that off, and now we're gonna remove that, pull tail lights off, and probably start unbolting the bed. Maybe get the bed pulled off. So I need to access the gas tank so I can pull the sending unit out so I can fix that, and I got to get to the frame anyway so I can pressure wash it and clean it and shit like that. I got to remove the e-brake cables, all that, because the truck is getting a hydro. So I'm going to clean this all up and then pull the tail lights off, and then we'll get the bed out. guys, so we're probably just going to get some drill bits and drill straight up to get rid of the bolt, and then they'll come out, because one bolt missing is not going to hurt. So this might be what we have to do. What do you think?
Air hammer.
Air hammer. You got it? You got an air hammer?
No.
Okay. So let me see if I can find an air hammer. If not, this is what we're going to have to do. And I'll just like notch the frame right there a little bit, because drift truck. Alright guys, so that one bolt, I don't know if you can see it. Let me crawl under here. That bolt right there that holds the bed on is free spinning. So the only way to get to it is cutting this bracket off right here. We're going to cut that off and then either get in there with angle grinder or let's just clear saw. So let's get that cut and try and get this bed off the truck. Towards you. That off right now. We're going to eliminate a lot of shit that we don't need. He's like, I'm ready to cut. Alright guys, so we got the bed off. Now we're going to go ahead and this whole crossbar here, we're going to cut that off. The tabs are going to, like the little brackets and stuff, going to come off. We're going to grind these all down, make it nice. We're going to eliminate all the charcoal canister and the evap stuff. All that's going to get trashed. I'm going to be pulling the gas tank out of it so we can clean that, fix the gas gauge, paint the frame. Obviously not in this video. We're going to get as much done in this video. At least get this all done, cut off, and pretty much cut what we don't need off the truck right now. Which is going to be this, which we're going to try and get the bump stops cut off. Little things like that. So, just get to it. Alright guys, so we got the crossbar off that had the stuff for the spare tire off. The bump stops are out, the bed is off. So, little by little. Go ahead and pull more stuff off later on. But for now, it's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna go eat some food, and then I'll probably come back and mess with this some more. Alright guys, so I'm back from eating. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is start pulling all this evap stuff off. So just take this bracket off, remove it, and then this has bolts right here, and then this all comes out the way and everything. Gotta get that out the way so I can access all of the wiring to get it all out of the way. So let's get this removed real quick. More junk out of the way. Alright, so that's that. Already dirty. Just got back from eating. Look at this. Alright, so I got that out the way. Yeah, I guess I'll just start feeding all that wire out of there and getting it out the way. So there's a clip. This separates like your tail lights and tag lights and stuff from the rest of the harness. So you can just disconnect that and put it aside. And there's another little clip in here. Alright, so got all the wiring out the way. The charcoal canister. I believe that's the charcoal canister. I know it's evap stuff, but correct me if I'm wrong down and below. But I believe that's charcoal canister stuff. So, yeah. I'm not gonna do none of it now. I'm gonna wait till I decide if I'm gonna get a new rear end for it or if I'm gonna keep this one. Since I just put a mini spool in it, I might rock this one, but I really want to get rid of drum brakes just because the truck can have a hydro, so it'll make it a little easier for that. But I'm going to be removing all the e-brake cables and stuff out of the truck. So, yeah. I think that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Not a lot done, but some progress. And the Chevy needed some love. I know you guys are probably getting tired of all the Accord videos. Therefore, I busted one out for you guys real quick for the truck. So, let me know what you all think about this video. And if you guys want to see more work on this truck, there's a lot to come on this truck. It's going to be pretty much full build. We're going to do angle mods. We're going to pull the cab off the truck. We're going to paint the whole frame. Everything. Like angle mods, like I said, suspension work's being done. Gut it. I'm going to be selling this back window. If anyone wants a non-sliding glass window for a second gen, let me know. Because I'm going to do Lexan glass on it. We're going to be removing the windshield, put Lexan there. And we're just going to run no windows for the doors. We're going to cut out the doors and run NASCAR bars with the cage set up. And I'm going to have the cage coming out the back into the bed. So, it's a lot to come on this, like I said. But, go ahead guys and like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit the notification button. And share. Share, like, comment, you know. I know some people do comment on my videos. I do comment back. I know I don't get a lot of comments, but it's pretty cool to comment back on people that are interested in the things I'm doing. Because, I mean, we're all car people here, so we're all interested in the same thing. Alright guys, catch you on the next one.